In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to jump cut in Film Pro. So yeah. Okay. See, go to razor or blade. Cut at a random spot. V. And up. Right click. Cut. Don't mind that. I just like pre-rendering it or pre-messing with it. Then drag it over. Let's see how it plays. Seems it plays alright. Drag it back over. Let's do it again. Right click. You cut it right here. Or you can stress it. I go over that in future tutorial. Play it. Then you see a cut. You should see 2 cuts. That's it. That's how you make a jump cut. Yeah, that's it. That's how you make a jump cut.